Hey guys, this is Chris Cohn with HomeDiary. So today I'm going to show you how you can take your appraisal sketch, something that you probably got with your loan when you bought a home, and use it as an actual asset to your house, create a 2D and 3D floor plan that looks something like this. So as you see, I've got this appraisal sketch as a background, and what I did was just scan it with my scanner, saved it as a JPEG image, and then I located the file and uploaded it as a background image. You can take a photo with your cell phone. I suggest maybe using the flash, save it to your computer, upload it, doesn't really matter. But once you do this work that I'm going to show you here, with a click of a button, you've got a 3D floor plan, as you can see here. If I hide that image as a background image, you can see I've got flooring, I've got carpet, I've got different wall colors, etc. So through our help videos, we'll show you how to build out really an enhanced floor plan. In this one, I just want to get the basics down. So I'm going to go ahead and just start completely over. I'm going to go use the select tool, and I'm going to delete everything I just did. So what I want to do is, first step, once you've got the background image, is you need to scale it. And all you need to do is scale one wall. In this case, I'm going to scale this 51:2. So click the scale button, and I'm going to click at the edge, and I'm going to draw the line. And click at the end of that wall, 51:2. Now the thing to know that's a little bit tricky about an appraisal sketch is it's the outside measurement. So the edge of the outside wall here to the edge of the outside wall there is 51:2. You may have plans where it's got interior dimensions. Just know what you're scaling. That's the key. Because once you do one scale, then everything you do goes from there. So you want that first part right. Some other adjustments, just make sure you lock it so as you draw, you don't move the background image around. And then you can adjust the opacity. I kind of like it about here as I draw, and then I'll show you how to remove that or hide it. So you've got a couple options to draw the exterior walls. You can use this exterior wall tool, or you can use the rectangular wall option as well. Now, before you get started, you might want to come in here to the configuration and just look at, wall height, exterior wall thickness, interior. You can adjust these things. These are kind of, more or less the standard for the U.S. market. If your market's different, or if you have a, old house that's got really thick walls, then you can go in and adjust those, and it's better to do it as you start drawing than after. But I'll show you, you can actually do that as well. So two ways to draw. You can just go this way and just start drawing, or hit the escape key to get out of the drawing. Let me go back. Or I'm going to use this rectangular wall, and I'm just going to start up here, and I'm going to draw the box. And you can see here up at the top, the dimension is changing. I've got that at 51:2, so it's a pretty good spot. I'm going to go ahead and click that. It was off just a little bit, but we'll worry about precision later. Now I can split the wall here under modifiers. If it doesn't show, just click it and click the wall again. And there you go. So now in a matter of a minute, I've created a 3D floor plan for the house that looks like this. So now it's just a matter of adding the details, and you can get more precise if you want. Just go to interior walls. This is where I would suggest getting a piece of graph paper and just going and measuring your interior spaces. So in this case, if I click on this little box, this is the room. I can name it. If I want the text to be bigger, I can bold that and have the dimensions different. I can just show square footage if I want. I can apply to all. I'm going to do it this way. Okay. So let me then just go back and add some doors and windows. And I'm just going to do this one office, and I'll show you what that looks like, and then take it from there in another help video. Okay, so added the doors. If you need it to swing a different way, interior, exterior, you do that. And so really with the click of a button here, as you can see now I have an office, I've got windows, I've got doors. And let's do one final thing here. If I click the room name, it brings up some materials. So let's just say this office has carpet and the walls I want to paint a different color. So double click on the walls. And let's just say it's got kind of a dark green. And you can even choose a different color for the ceiling if you want. You can make it carpet. You can do whatever you want, really. I'm just going to make the walls or the ceiling white. So now when I go to 3D, you can see I've got the color. And if I move the camera icon and go to first person, you can see there is the white walls, green, or excuse me, the green walls and the white ceiling compared to the rest of the space. So that's a quick and easy way to create a 3D floor plan for your home. Once you get your basic walls and everything done, you can either hide the background image, you can delete it by clicking the X, and you can even change the opacity if you want as well. But if you hide it or delete it, you don't need to worry about that. So just remember to always save. There is an auto save feature here. You can turn that on or off. Sometimes it may try to auto publish. So depending on how irritating that is to you, you can turn that feature on or off. But you can do a lot of different things. You can have different skyscapes, for example, in the 3D. Kind of outfit it how you want and make your own 3D floor plan quick and easy. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.